You know, everybody's gonna exit it when they see that. They don't want to be on
It's
YouTube.
Abraham and Sam. We're having a slumber party.
Oh, brother. What are you
Can I
doing?
resume my position, please? Resume my position as the co-omega bird.
Oh my god. You guys are gay.
Yes, we are.
No offense to the gay people watching.
Wow,
We
she's
want to attract all
gorgeous.
audiences.
Samantha, look at that.
Glow.
Oh, dude.
Sam, look at this
Are
girl.
you a model?
Wait, don't exit
oh my
it
God.
yet. Sam, you gotta see this girl. She's gorgeous. Not you, Abraham.
Wow. What?
What about Abraham? Don't
You're
forget
pretty.
about Abraham.
We're good.
Yo,
Happy Thanksgiving, by the way.
Happy Celebration Day. I won't
Nobody
do
here
Tarzan
knows about
dance for you.
Thanksgiving. Nobody's here from America.
She said HRU,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
obviously not American.
Italy.
Everybody's
hell?
from Italy.
Dude, there's a really hot girl in your country, man.
There's a really hot girl
Yeah,
in your
there's a
country.
lot of them actually.
Yes, I
Don't
know
ever
that.
come to America, you'll be very disappointed. These people rolling on the street. Do, 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 do. Which ball should I pick?
Yo.
I'm talking about the people rolling.
You're not nasty. Whatever. I don't.
You're an alien.
I'm talking about people rolling on the street because we're all fat and chubby.
I just farted.
not oh my god.
Ow. That was my head.
You're pleasant.
Well, thanks. All of us shoved in this room and you have to let one loose.
No, it went into his blanket.
Oh, it's gonna...
Oh, it doesn't smell as good now.
Oh, my camera. I forgot it's on.
Are you like
This
the
is
only
it.
girl on here?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes.
She's bi.
And the
I
only
knew she
pretty
was
girl.
bi.
I knew it. All the pretty girls are bi. Let's
Two
go.
to do fuck mom, god dang it.
Where you from?
And no tea. Now. Tarzan dance now, go.
Where is she from? Where the whoa?
Whoa, I thought it was already happening. I was like, wait,
Let-
wait.
let us start together.
catch up.
Let us start together.
Whoa! Amanda, the bi is calling.
Hello.
And what is
Abraham,
that?
no
Oh,
photos
I'm
or
not
something.
taking
Oh my
the
God.
fucking
I was like, I'm not taking a picture.
Okay, put down that camera right now.
Are you trying to turn us bi? She's like, wow, this is.
It is working.
She's like, this
No.
is the best party. This guy's.
Those are my brothers.
Those are
really
mine.
awesome.
I'm videotaping the Omegle experience.
Got a
Yeah,
beard.
shave your beard though.
He's beardy.
Hi, beard.
He's
I
beardy.
like beards, okay? What are you talking
Got
about?
beard.
You
I like
beardy?
that over there.
I like preview Besson.
Prepubescent. that little 8-year-old boy.
You're not that young.
Oh,
I'm
wait.
talking like- This is our hands. Look at my pretty hands and Sam's dainty hands.
What's dainty? These are lethal weapons.
Of destruction. Yes, we can. Abraham's gonna pump out some push-ups. Hey, can you take a video of what I look like with push-ups after? Your hand is going.
I know.
Hey, this is my documentary.
I got the coolest camera angles though, so.
You guys can take a video of me doing push-ups after, because I want to see what it looks like. It looks really bad. My
Okay.
arms still hurt from this. What did you say? What did you say?